Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you unbox of a new Samsung Tab S7. As you see on the picture, we have a pen with this table. On the back side, we don't have anything. This side we have a label. It's a Mystic Black. 128 gigabyte of memory, SMT870 the model. That's it for now. As you see, the box is really small, and let's take a look inside the box, how it looks like. Boom shakalaka. Okay, this is the tablet. We're gonna back to him, but firstly let's take a look at the accessories. And the accessory is this pen. Looks good. The standard wall charger, the key, and the instruction to the tablet. There is the place for I don't know what, the USB-C cable. That's it for the accessories. Okay, and let's get back to the tablet. I'm gonna be open it with this where I can open it. Where? Oh yeah, here. Okay. And tablet looks very prestige. The corner are edged, as you see, on the 90 degrees. Here is the place for the pen. It's been magnetic, I think. No. Yeah, it's been magnetic. Oh, full magnetic. Wow, only on this side. Sick. Haha, magic. Look at this. It's very fun. Whoops. Pick. Okay, never mind. Now, this is the sound by AKG. I'm gonna be check it how it's sounded. Here we have a stick for some charger. I think the front is the simply glass. So let's turn it and check it about the sound and camera. Wow. Okay. Oh, my camera is something went wrong with him. Okay, it's been full black. Starting Android. Let's go to start the tablet. Let's check the language and restart. Okay, we have two lenses of the camera and one flashlight. one speaker to speaker, one microphone, one speaker to speaker. So we have 4 speakers. It can be much fun about listening music. Okay, I have already do this. Go to Wi-Fi, connect Wi-Fi, connect it. Okay, that will be much better. Wow. Next. Checking for updates. The frame of this tablet isn't a small one, as you see. It's been about 1 centimeter, 10 millimeters. But the feeling about the tablet is it's good. I think I take in my hands some prestige electronics, but it's not cheap one. Okay, skip it. More and accept. Google, next. Skip anyway. No, I don't want to install it. Skip and finished. Okay, we are in. Wow, the LCD looks very nice, as you see. I'm gonna make more light here. Maybe, okay. It looks good, yeah. The LCD has many of hertz. Okay, it's been very fast. Let's take a look at the camera. So we have a widescreen and standard lens. Okay. I love the white screen. Okay, so it's look nice and gently. Now let's take a look at the sounds with this AKG. And listen to it. No, it sounded very good. 3D sound. I think you can watch your Netflix or some music and it will be very good. 6 on 6. And that's it, my folks. I hope the video is looks good and you're gonna be fun into watching it. If yes, you can leave like, of course leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.